At the Hearth, we're all about inspiring you to get outdoors and drink in the beauty of the natural world. We offer nature art workshops that help you create space and time to bring nature indoors and make it beautiful to yourself. Flowers, stone, moss, water, leaves, berries, the possibilities are endless, reminding us of the exquisite beauty of nature. We invite you to join us in a workshop, to come to our beautiful space of creativity and to explore. We have lots of nature objects and invite you to bring others to our collection. Each of us will have our own process for bringing nature indoors and making it come alive. Your piece will serve as a reminder to go out into nature, to refrain from purchasing more stuff, and it will serve as a reminder to place earth care front and center. It will help you relax and savor what is, and this sets us on a path towards living a new story.